World and Bangladesh, all peoples, all region peoples. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. M. D. Yusuf Shekhar Havladar, W Boss TV director, YouTube, W Boss TV, TikTok, W Boss TV. Bangladesh and world, all region peoples, I love you. I pray to Allah continues, whole world, country, man, woman, children, life, development and Bangladesh. Bangladesh is very cyclone attack country. Bangladesh human, woman, children, life development and all through Bangladesh and world. W Boss TV, my channel, my son Saiful Islam Hamim, assistant director, and I am director and chairman. I praise whole world country news, all world country my friend. I praise country news, whole world my friend, and help us Bangladesh and world all peoples and happiness, life development. I pray to Allah. Thanks.